Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to the 2190th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And you can find me at futurestraders.com. Traders, interesting video. This video coming at you on a Monday afternoon for trading Monday night through Tuesday. That would be November 10th, 2020. Please know this is a very risky game. Stocks, options, futures, you name it. ETFs, I don't care what it is these days. If you trade it, it's got huge risk. Please be careful out there. Put your stops in first and never ever trade without risk capital that's earmarked to be lost in case something goes wrong. So, in last night's video, I showed you this very chart and I said we've got two choices. Either the market turns around and has a nice fat up day and settles up here. And if that's the case, we'll make this green and show you what we illustrated in last night's video. If that's the case, we'll just run with it and the market's above the head and shoulders and away we can go. But if we end up with a red bar that comes all the way down like this, we've got us a problem. And we had a neutral Omni from Monday night, Sunday night into Monday. And I told you, hold off on buys. Well, look what happened. Even after some of you wrote comments, oh, look, Oscar, it's going up. Last night, the session ends today, and look what happened. Omni was on to something. Now, how about a round of applause for Omni? If you were a fund manager, it told you to hold off on buys. Very good. Neutral Omni at the right moment. So now, we flipped from a neutral Omni on Monday to a red Omni for Tuesday. And I do not like the fact that we had a double failure up here, but I mentioned that in last night's video before this ever even happened. And here we are. So no good as far as I'm concerned. And then we've got one more thing to look at for trading on Tuesday. You know, does anybody know what we do when we see a double top? What do? We sell a double top, right? So, we know the rule. When we see a double top, we sell a double top. Well, guess what double topped out? Nasdaq on Monday. We may have a problem here, kids. I will do a lot more analysis on it and let you know, but I do not like what I see. I don't like the fact that we had the double failure on the daily. I don't like the double top on the weekly. Let's see what kind of signals we get. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Make sure you join me in my free live trading room. And remember to keep your emotions out of trading. What works for me and what I will tell you to do is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening. And you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, make sure you join me at livewithoscar.com. Follow me on the internet. I'm everywhere you could think of. You go to a social network, you'll find me there. Follow me, like me there, and I will see you in my live trading room.